How to create a high converting landing page on System IO. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a high converting landing page on System IO. So once you have logged into your System IO account, and then on the top bar here you will see funnels. Just click on that. Now on the top right corner, click on the create button. Now you will see a pop-up. Now on the name, here you need to enter your store name, and then on the funnel domain, here you can select your domain. Now choose your funnel goal. Now you can choose your funnel goal from here. So we are going to choose the custom, and then currency. You can choose any of currency. After that, click on save. So web3. Now click on save. So we have successfully created a funnel. Now let's click on the store name. Now on the left side here you will see add step. Just click on that. Now here we need to enter a name and then select the type, quiz page, optimized page, sales page, order page. So I'm going to add a sales page and then click on save. From here you can choose any of template. So I'm going to select this. Now on the right side here you can see view funnel step, edit page, change page template. So from here you can preview the funnel and you can edit the funnel if you click on edit page. So let's click on edit page. Now you can edit everything. You can change the text, you can change the image, and you can change the link, button link. You can change everything. After change everything as you need and then click on save changes. After that, click on preview. Just click on I button and then it will redirect to your sales page. So this is our high converting landing page. So this is how you can build a high converting landing page on System IO. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.